Train. Train. Train car. Now it's your turn. Train car. Train car. What's next? Tracks. Tracks. Engine. Pepper? Pepper? I don't think so. No, this is not an engine. This is a pepper.
No.
It's okay. Try again. Engine. Engine.
Oh boy. Uh-oh.
Very nice. Train. Great job. Hello. Who's hungry? Spaghetti and meatballs. Hello, color crew. Come on out. Let's play. Are you hungry? We're gonna make spaghetti and meatballs. Spaghetti. Here's the plate.
Wow.
Now let's draw. Tomato sauce. Tomato sauce. Very good. Mmm. Doesn't that look good? Patience, color crew. We need some meatballs. Need some help? Meatballs. I'll just put a few on top. Mmm. Are you that hungry? Wait, we need some cheese on top. But how? Oh, I know. A grater. What? Fire truck? I don't know.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Well, I don't know what we're gonna do with this. No, this is not a grater. This is a fire truck. Are you available, Mr. Eraser? Can you help?
No.
One more try, color crew. Grater. Grater. Good job. You did it. Okay. Now we'll grate the cheese. Doesn't that look good? And a little fresh basil on top. Spaghetti and meatballs. Mmm. Bon appetit. Enjoy. Color crew magic. Craft time. Cardboard bus. Hi, color crew. Come on out. Let's play. Cardboard bus. Paints. Now it's your turn. Cardboard box. Cardboard box. Perfect. Now let's draw the bus outlines. Now we'll paint with beautiful colors. Would you like to paint some yourselves? Amazing! Okay, the painting is done. That looks so nice. Great. Now let's try to move the bus. For the wheel, we will use the lid of a jar. Come on out, Green. Jar. The lid of the jar will be the wheel of the bus. 4 red wheels. Wheels. Perfect. For the bus station, we will need straws. Oh. Yogurt bottle. Well, I can try. The sign doesn't quite sit right. No, this is not a straw. This is a yogurt bottle. We need you, Mr. Eraser.
No.
It's okay. Try again. Straws. Straws. Well done. This straw will be the pole of the bus station. Bus station. Perfect. Cardboard bus. Climb in, Color Crew. You can go for a ride. Color Crew magic. Hello. Farm. Hey, Color Crew. Come on out. Farm. Farmer. Now it's your turn, Color Crew. Cow. Come on, Pink. Cow. Moo. Chicken. Mirror? I'm not sure. This is not a chicken. This is a mirror.
No.
It's okay. Try again, Color Crew. Chicken. Chicken. Very good. Oh. Goat. Goat. Perfect. Goat. farm. Great job. Color Crew magic. Cereal. Hello, Color Crew. Come on out. Let's draw. Cereal. Here's the cereal box. Okay, but just a few. Here you go. That's it. We're not done. Now it's your turn. Bowl. Bowl. That's right. Now we can pour the cereal in. Here we go. We need the milk. Come on, White. Here you go. Milk. Great. I'll just pour a little here. Yum. Wait. We need one more thing. The spoon. Clock? Well, I don't think so. What do I do with it? Or I don't know.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Don't worry. It's just the alarm. But this is not a spoon.
Aww.
This is a clock. Mr. Eraser, we're gonna need your help.
No.
That's all right. Try it again. Spoon. Spoon. That's perfect. Cereal. All right. Time to eat, Color Crew. Here comes the airplane. Isn't that good? Looks yummy. Bon appetit.